allergies. This is the topic taken from the chapter of human health and diseases. Okay, to understand this topic, let us understand by example. When you gone to a new place and you are not adjusted to the environment, okay, think of the situation might be happen in daily life one or the other time. Okay, when you go to a place and you will be not adjusted to that environment and you suddenly get there sneezing, wheezing, etc, and you will when you come back to the original place, then what happens, these symptoms, these are sneezing, wheezing, get out of our body, they get disappeared. So have you ever wondered why this happens? This is mainly because of allergies. This happens mainly because of allergies. So first of all, you should understand what is allergy. Exaggerated immune response to certain antigens present in environment. So what is allergy? Allergy is a condition in which your immune system reacts abnormally to foreign substances. So what are foreign substances? Foreign substances can be dust, pollen, etc, which is present in the environment. Okay, they will the immune response to certain antigens in the environment. Okay, there are different types of allergies such as dust allergy, pollen allergy, allergy due to the perfumes, and allergy due to the chemicals. There are many more. Okay, allergens. We will understand what are allergens. Substance in response to which allergy is produced. Example, dust, pollen, etc. Okay, I told you now list of substances. So allergy due to perfume, allergy due to many chemicals, etc. These substances which causes allergy is called as allergens. Very simple. Antibodies involved is IgE type. Okay, this is the example of antibody. So what is antibody? Antibody is a protein. It is a protein type which help the body's immune system and detects the harmful substances. It's called as antigen. It will detect harmful substance which is known as antigen, which is a bacteria, microorganism, etc. So example is IgE type. Allergic reactions, chemicals such as histamines and serotonins are released. Okay, the main cause of allergy is mainly due to the release of chemicals such as histamine. When histamine chemicals are released, like sneezing, symptoms occur. Okay, and serotonins from the cells. So symptoms. First of all, you should understand what are symptoms. Symptoms is the thing that indicate the presence of the disorder. It will indicate that which disorder you have. Okay, sneezing. So sneezing is like irritation or the expulsion from air from nose. Expulsion of air from the nose, or it is like a irritation. Watery eyes. Simple. Tears from water. Tears from eyes. Sorry. Difficulty in breathing means you will feel very difficult in breathing or shortening in breath, etc. These are the symptoms of the allergies. Allergy test. Okay, allergy test is like an exam which is performed by the allergy specialist to find out that your body has an allergic reaction to a substance. Okay, it is main thing to find out. So how it will be find out? Patient is injected with the small doses of allergens to monitor his response. Here patient is injected with small doses of allergen to monitor his response. So what do you mean by this? Here what happens, the patient is injected with a small dose of allergens. What are allergens? Such as dust, pollen, etc, to check the which type of allergy is present in his body. Then antihistamines, adrenalines and steroids may be given to the symptoms of allergy subtypes. Okay, why these are given? These are given so that the allergy may go away from the body, to prevent, mainly due to prevent. So how antihistamine work? Antihistamine is the drug which will help you to prevent the allergies. Similarly, adrenaline. Adrenaline is injected for immediate treatment of severe allergic reactions. Then steroids. Steroids, similarly, it will also help you to prevent the allergies. Simple. Immunity. We will understand about autoimmunity. In autoimmunity, body generates immune response against its own cells. So here what happens, it is the condition when the immune system of the body starts attacking the cells. Okay, it will start attacking its own cells. Then what happens when it starts attacking its own cell, it will result in the damage. It will result in the damage of its own cells of its own body. So this is known as autoimmunity. Autoimmunity is the condition when the immune system of the body starts attacking its cells, means own cells. So what happens, in own cell will result in the damage of the body. So what are reasons? Genetic and other unknown. It can be genetic or any other unknown reasons. Example, rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease in which the cells in joints are destroyed. So it destroys its own cells.